In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add schema in Yoast SEO. This will help enhance your website's visibility on search engines like Google by accurately defining what each piece of your content represents. Implementing schema can give your site an extra boost, especially when it comes to rich snippets, ensuring your content is more appealing in search results. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open any post or page that you want to edit. Familiarize yourself with the content, as this will help you decide on the type of schema needed. Once your post or page is open, navigate to the Yoast SEO meta box. You can usually find this below the content area. Depending on your WordPress theme and settings, it might also be located in the right sidebar, so check both spots if you're having trouble finding it. Scroll to the tab labeled Schema. This tab is your gateway to applying structured data to your content, and it's an incredibly powerful feature of Yoast SEO. Think of schema as a way of labeling the type of content you're dealing with, making it easier for search engines to read and understand the context of your posts and pages. Now, it's time to choose the schema type that accurately represents your content. You'll notice a drop-down menu with several options, such as FAQ page, profile page, and many others. Carefully consider the nature of your content. For instance, if you're making a page with frequently asked questions, selecting the FAQ page schema would be the most appropriate. Similarly, if your content is about a person's bio or credentials, the profile page schema might be your best bet. Picking the right schema type is crucial, as it helps ensure that search engines can effectively understand and display your content in the best possible light. As you select the appropriate schema type, remember that this choice can influence how your posts are presented in search results. For example, FAQ page schema can make your article eligible for rich results, potentially displaying your questions and answers directly within the search results, which can be incredibly attractive to users scrolling through the myriad of links. By doing this, you're essentially giving search engines detailed information about what your content stands for. Correctly implementing schema not only helps search engines index your website more efficiently, but also improves the likelihood of boosting your click-through rates by presenting your content in a more user-friendly manner. That's the process for adding schema using Yoast SEO. Remember, accurately implementing these steps